Welcome to Coney Island, the island that Joey Chestnut built, home to the Wonder Wheel, Coney Island's mayor, and the Brooklyn Cyclones. Join us in visiting Maimonides Park and find out what you can expect when checking out a Brooklyn Cyclones game. Hi, I'm Andrew.
And I'm Dora.
And we're Mr. and Mrs. K.
We're a couple from New York that started this channel in 2021 to share our travel, food, and experiences.
Follow us as we find new, interesting, and exciting things along the way. Boop, boop. So the weather is, it's a little less than that. Well, actually, I kind of like it. I like it cloudy because it's not going to be as hot.
It's been so hot the last month and a half or so that
Yeah.
I'm okay with this 80-something degree weather.
Cloudy, not too sunny.
Right.
But, I mean,
little breezy.
Yeah, but I mean, what's a big selling point for this Maimonides Park is the actual views.
It kind of sucks not having it.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, but I mean, either way, it's pretty good weather right now. You get a nice breeze. There aren't too many ways to get to this park. You can take the subway, which is probably the easiest way to get there. Take the D, F, N, or Q all the way down to Coney Island. And then it's a couple blocks walk to the ballpark. There's also parking on site, which is about $10 on game days, but you gotta deal with the traffic and congestion of New York City, which could be annoying. Just outside the ballpark, you'll find the famous Coney Island Boardwalk and amusement park. This also serves as the backdrop for the stadium, which makes it very picturesque. Also a great way to spend some time before the game. But if the beach or amusement park isn't really your scene, there's also the New York Aquarium in the area, which is a fun option too. In general, this area is pretty family friendly. There's a ton of food options, of course the famous Nathan's hot dog. Definitely the more iconic option, which is something you can get inside the ballpark as well. But there's other things like seafood, Italian sausages, and more. Maimonides Park is definitely a fun neighborhood where there's an infinite number of things to do before and after the game. Outside of Maimonides Park, you'll find a statue of Jackie Robinson and PeeWee Reese. This statue shows the embrace where PeeWee Reese has his arm around Jackie Robinson when Robinson was being tormented throughout his career. This is kind of controversial because people ask if it really happened or not, but I like to think that they were more than just teammates. Right outside the stadium on the first base side, you'll find the Wall of Remembrance, which honors the first responders who lost their lives on 9/11. I think this is a great memorial and an awesome addition to the ballpark. Maimonides Park is a pretty fun ballpark to visit. You can't really compare it to a major league ballpark, as this one is on a much smaller scale, but it's pretty unique. This concourse is big and open, which allows the sea breeze to pass through. Also, these concession stands are just like the stands on the Coney Island Boardwalk. They're kind of like stands. Alright, so we're usually here like once a year.
Pretty much.
Yeah, and I mean, it's I actually really like this ballpark.
It's a lot of fun because I think it's so small.
It's like intimate.
Yeah, it's very intimate. And there's something that the major league that you just can't really replicate for the most part.
Yeah, I mean the concourse here, it's a big open concourse, but I mean it literally goes from here to all the way there, and it's you can walk it real simple, you know.
Yeah. Although, granted, this is the only minor league stadium I've ever been to. I mean, okay, you went to Binghamton. Like, would you comparing it to Binghamton? Is this bigger or smaller?
Binghamton is bigger.
Oh, it's bigger.
Yeah.
But probably because they have more land, right?
Probably, I don't know. But like the Concourse was much bigger. Well, like there's more like walking space. Yeah, but
okay.
this is, yeah, I mean, this is still a pretty nice one. And I think the big selling point, like we mentioned earlier, is the fact that you get a great view of like, you know, like the parachute jump, the Cyclone, the roller coasters, and like the beach. So the food option here is like slightly above average.
There is stuff that I wouldn't normally see at any other ballpark, which makes it a little unique. But for the most part, it's exactly what you would expect, I would say.
They have the bare minimum, you know, like hot dogs, pizza, fries, and nachos and tacos.
Oh, not tacos, nachos.
Nachos, yeah. It's a small ballpark. I mean, what I got the foot-long Coney dog, and this thing looks pretty big.
Yeah, I mean, like a full-on Coney is usually what Coney Island is known for, right? And we are in Coney Island, so.
All right, so this Coney dog, it's like really messy too. Okay, that's a good hot dog though.
Yeah?
That's a real good hot dog.
That's a really good snap?
Yeah.
All right, there you go.
This was $10.
See, that's actually not bad considering at City Field, that'd probably be 20.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. The chili's like hearty.
How would you compare it to Ben's Chili in DC?
Oh no. Ben's chili is way better. Because this is just like kind of like one-dimensional, you know?
All right, this is literally just milk. I don't know if this is actually what it's supposed to taste like, but to me, this is literally just milk. It's a little sweet, I guess, but
Like sweet milk.
yeah,
That's funny.
Let me keep mixing it. Maybe it'll be a little different, but yep, this is literally just sweet milk. Like, I kind of regret getting this. Again, I don't know if this is actually what an egg cream is supposed to taste like, but that's something I'm really gonna never get again. So.
And his sister Callie, and there's something they'd like to say.
I think one thing about like watching specifically like high A, the competition is definitely not as exciting, or like it's just they're more prone to errors.
It's definitely like one step above like maybe college, maybe not.
Yeah.
Maybe colleges might even be better than some of the high A, I would say. Right?
Oh, you think so? I don't know.
I don't know. Definitely better. Okay, obviously above high school, I think is realistic, but
Because you see a lot more errors here.
Yeah, a lot of rookie mistakes been made for sure.
Yeah. But then like when I went to like Binghamton, like that was almost like professional.
Oh,
like
yeah,
you
yeah.
didn't see like too many errors or anything.
Yeah. So I mean, that just tells you, man. Like there's definitely levels to the talent and all that. So
Yeah.
So obviously we know Jonah Tong is like one of the higher prospects of, or probably the highest prospect Brooklyn has. What about the Rome team? Do you know any of their prospects?
I don't know.
Yeah. I mean, they're all part of Atlanta Braves.
The
right?
Braves,
So,
yeah.
yeah, we probably should look that up, see if there's anybody
that's true.
worth notable
Yeah.
to look up.
Because the Braves like system is pretty like
I mean, the Acuna,
Friedman.
Strider.
Strider, yeah.
You know, they built up a lot of quality players. For
That's
sure,
true.
So,
All right, maybe we have to take a look.
yeah.
So the atmosphere here is actually pretty lively. I mean Brooklyn, I feel like every time we come, it's always like a good time. The fans, they just get real lively here.
I definitely think that it's just like the New Yorker like energy where like New Yorkers will just always be New Yorkers. So
Yeah. But I do think part of that is actually because today's a theme night, and I think that's another really good thing about the Brooklyn Cyclones is that they have a lot of like theme nights, promotions, and stuff like that.
minor leagues for sure, they need to find ways to get people coming to games, spend money for things. So
All right, on your mark, get set, go! Now you can run, Mona, run! Leave the nest, Sarah with the save! Coming to third base, it's Luna! Sorry, Sandy, you couldn't cut the mustard. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for our runner, Luna!
Yeah, I guess that was another thing. Like they have a lot of like these in between inning giveaways, promotions, and family-friendly games. I guess.
You can tell like the minor leagues, they lack the budget that the major leagues for sure. Like it's, but I think they definitely use very creative ways to get fan involvement.
And also, there's the mascots. So they have Sandy the Seagull. You know, actually, do you know why he's called Sandy?
No, I don't.
It's for Sandy Koufax, who used to play on the Dodgers.
The Dodgers.
The Brooklyn Dodgers, yeah.
Okay, that's kind of cool, I guess.
And then there's like a smaller like seagull. His name is PeeWee. And it's
PeeWee?
for PeeWee Reese.
PeeWee Reese?
Yeah,
Okay.
It's pretty fun. It's pretty cute.
I mean, when you were in Binghamton, do they have a mascot also?
It's like this buff pony. Oh, I totally forgot. It's like slipped my mind. It's like this giant buff pony that just walks around.
That's pretty funny.
Yeah, it's pretty funny. The one who kind of runs all these kind of promotions and stuff during like the half innings is King Henry. Like he's like basically the master of ceremonies. He orchestrates all like these like games and stuff. So he gets the crowd kind of pumped up too. So yeah.
Well, what I do like about King Henry is that he's here in the stands, like meeting these kids and like taking photos and like just like he's like really a part of the actual like crowd.
Yeah, but I guess overall, like I think the Cyclones organization does a really good job of just getting everyone involved and just making sure everyone has a good time. So now that the light's out, like it's kind of dark now, and then like you can see the lights from like the amusement park or even like the parachute jump. Yeah. It's actually really nice.
No, it looks way better than it was like an hour ago when the sun was out here.
Yeah. So like I said, like this is probably one of like the better views in like minor league stadiums.
I was saying it might be better than some major league stadiums too.
Yeah, that's true.
Like,
that's true.
Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.
Whoa.
You know what? We've never been here.
We've never been, yeah.
We've been to like at least 4 or 5 different Cyclone games, but we've actually never been in this part.
Because I thought this was like the VIP area.
Yeah, I don't know, but I guess
Very interesting.
we're out here, so it's kind of cool.
Sandlot Baseball Hall of Fame. That's pretty cool. This is like for like the community.
Yeah.
You know?
I mean, that's something I noticed about the Brooklyn Cyclones. Like they really like focus on local.
The community aspect.
Yeah, which I think is really cool.
Whoa. Steve Cohen? Is that like the Met Steve Cohen?
I mean, it's a pretty common name. Who knows?
John Franco.
Oh yeah, Plavecki. That's.
Plawecki. Oh yeah. Wow, he hasn't been on the Mets in.
Well, I mean, if his debut was 2012,
Oh, yeah.
that's at least 10 years at this
No,
point.
his major league debut is
yeah,
2015.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Right. Yeah, so it's still like 9 years, you know.
Oh, Tomas Nido.
Oh, true.
Thanks for sticking around to the end. If you've ever been to Maimonides Park, let us know what your experience was like in the comments below. Also, let us know what other minor league stadiums and ballparks you should visit. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to share and subscribe. It really helps this channel out. We really appreciate your time, and we'll see you next time. Peace out, Cub Scout.